Good morning, students. Welcome to a learning class, and today I am going to start fraction, chapter 7, fraction. Now, question is arises here, what is fraction? Students, as you studied in your previous class, fraction is a part of whole, and this whole is maybe a single, complete, or in a group, and parts should be in equal divided. Parts should be in equal divided. Like a fraction is a number representing part of a whole, and the whole may be a single or grouped of an object, and the parts to be equal. Means किसी भी एक कंप्लीट चीज के जब इक्वल पार्ट डिवाइड हों और उनमें से मुझे किसी एक, दो, तीन या हाउ मेनी पार्ट को पिक करना हो और फिर उसका हम फ्रैक्शन में कैसे काउंट करेंगे, ये ऐसे होता। आइए देखें, ऐसे होता है। लाइक at first look, this is a box. At first the first requirement is the parts should be divided in equal. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the object. If we have to pick one of them, what is the definition of fraction? Part of a whole. So if we have to show the shaded region in a fractional value, how many part is shaded? 1, and total whole part is 4. This is the fractional representation of this figure, 1/4. If assume this is a circle, this circle divided into two equal parts. If one part is shaded, look here, what is the fractional value? How many part in the circle? 2. This is the whole, means we mention it into the denominator, 2 and 1. This is the half of this. If again look at this picture, how many parts? 4, representing the denominator, and shaded part is 1, 2, 3. This is your fractional representation. Now students, let's start to solve exercise 7.1, and question 1 is, write the fraction representing the shaded portion. As you learn in your definition, fraction is a part of whole. Part of whole. Part can be written as numerator and whole part in the denominator. So, representing the fractional value 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole part is 4 and selected part is shaded region part is 1. This is the fractional value of this given figure. And here whole part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whole part in the denominator, that is 9, and shaded part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 upon 9. Now, common question number 2. Color the parts according to the given fraction. Question 2 is quite different from the first. Here we have to write the fractional value, and in this question fractional value is given. We have to shade the region. How much region we have to shade it? 1 upon 6 means whole part is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to color one part only. So, colored it very well. This is your required solution. In question number 2, 1 upon 3 means 3 equal parts is given separately, and you have to color any one part of them. So colored it. Any one part you can color. And question number 3, 4 upon 9. Look here, whole part is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4 is numerator. So you have to color 4 boxes. This is the required solution. And now, question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? What fraction of a day is 8 hours? How many hours in a day? At first, 24 hours in a day. So the required fraction is equals to 20 part of a whole. Whole is 24 hours. So 24 is in the denominator and 8 hours. So 8 is in the numerator. This can be written as 8 3 is 24 means 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Now question number 5. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Here whole part is hour and one part is 40 minutes. How many minutes in 1 hour? At first mention it. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So convert it into the fraction. Part is 40 minutes and whole is 60 minutes. So fraction is equals to 40 upon 60. Cut out the extreme 0, extreme right 0, cut out the extreme right 0, and then 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So 2 upon 3. We can write it. Now come on next question. Students, come and start to solve more question on exercise 7.1. Question number 8 is, write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Students, this question is based on your previous topic and present topic. So this is the important question. At first we have to write down the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many numbers are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Definition of fraction, as you learn, fraction is a part of whole. This is the whole part. Means 11 natural numbers are between 2 to 12. Okay? And यहाँ पे एक चीज की जानकारी आपको और होनी चाहिए, that is prime number. Prime number. Which number is prime? A number which has only two factor, one and itself. मतलब वो नंबर जो 1 से डिविजिबल हो और itself खुद से डिविजिबल हो. A number which has only two factors, one and itself, is your prime number. So start to count prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. How many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting prime numbers is 5. So the required fraction is equal to whole is 11 and part is 5. So your required answer is 5 upon 11. Do you understood? Now come on question number 9. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? This is same type of question. At first you all have to write down the natural number between natural numbers between 102 to 113. That numbers are 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112 and 113. How many numbers are there? There are 12 numbers. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So whole is your 12 and you have to circle the prime number here. So this is the composite number. This one is the prime number. This is composite. 107. 107 is your prime number. 8 is composite. 9 is 109. 109 is it divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the prime number. 111 is composite. 112 is composite. 113 is prime. So prime numbers are 103, 107, 109 and 113. Part number is 4. So the required fraction is fraction is equal to 4/12. So students, this is it for today. Thank you.